Welcome to Bjorn's. I'm Chad, and we're here for another unboxing. Look here, new speaker from GoldenEar, the new Triton One.R. What's the R stand for? We'll show you. Abel here is going to help me unbox this guy. Boy, this guy's a big one. Look how well packed this is. Fully enclosed, the full body clamshell. Extra padding for the grill. Okay. Just stand it up. Look at this beautiful speaker. This is from GoldenEar, brand new Triton One.R. Well, we said before, what does the R stand for? It stands for reference. Triton Reference, their flagship speaker they brought out last year. They've taken all that technology and put it in a little bit smaller, sleeker style speaker, the same size as the previous Triton One Plus, but with new improvements in technology and performance. That performance starts with two new mid-range drivers that are, you can't see them behind the grill, but they're in there, with the new tweeter, all borrowed from the new technologies developed for the Triton Reference. It includes the new, more powerful, high-strength neodymium magnet for the folded ribbon tweeter, the new focus field magnetic structure for the mid-range drivers. It also has three 5x9-inch powered woofers, the built-in subwoofer with a 1600-watt power amp that will drive those guys. Gives you amazing power, dynamics, and super deep bass, all the way down to 13 hertz. Those subwoofer drivers are coupled to two on each side, so a total of four 7x10-inch passive radiators. And that's just all part of this package. But the best part probably is this new beautiful gloss finish on the cabinet, just like the Triton Reference, that makes this a more beautiful, attractive speaker that'll look great in any home. So the performance is going to be amazing. We're going to hear everything the Triton Reference has in a smaller package at a price that is even more pleasing for more people. So they're $29.99 each, so $6,000 a pair for the new Triton One.R. In stock now at Bjorn's. Come in, have a listen. We look forward to seeing you. Thanks.